What's up everybody, my name is Cody Streeter here with Genius Phone Repair. On today's Tech Tuesday, I've actually got a tech topic for you. All about Samsung smartphones and trying to make the battery last throughout the entire day. Nobody wants their phone to die before they make it to dinner, and nobody wants to keep it on the charger all day where it's not easily accessible. So here's a couple quick tips and tricks to try and get you through the entire day without having to plug it in or without having to die early. Number one, all smartphones nowadays usually come with a power saver mode, either ultra power saving or just normal power saving. Either one of these options you can find in your settings, and it'll guarantee you at least a couple of hours extra on your phone's battery life. Depending on how you use it, you may get either 1 to 5 hours, but anything's better than nothing. Number two is turned on your display brightness. Your phone's screen is going to be the number one thing that draws power from your phone, apart from other applications you can use. So turning down the brightness means it uses less power. Pretty easy. Number three is turn off whatever you're not using. So if you're outside, not near a Wi-Fi network, turn off your Wi-Fi. If you're not connected to any Bluetooth speakers or accessories, turn off your Bluetooth. And if you just got somewhere and aren't like using Google Maps or Apple Maps or like any sort of GPS application, turn off your GPS. All three of these things, even if they're not connected, can actively be searching and draining your battery in the process. Fourth and final thing that we're going to want to take a look at is usually for the newer Samsung smartphones, but there are a couple exceptions here. A feature called Always On Display shows you a clock and a couple other neat notifications while your phone's off, but it also drains a little bit of battery power in the process. Turning it off saves you that little bit of battery power. Pretty easy. Through these four things, you may have your phone last the entire day, it may last 2 days, or it may only get a little bit of a boost. If it does only get a little boost, stop into any Genius Phone Repair and we can definitely take a look at it for you, see if the battery's the issue or if there's some other underlying cause. Either way, we got you covered. I'm Cody. Have a good one.